Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also not getting auto scroll option while scrolling the reels or while watching the reels, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open your Play Store and tap on this search, then find Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, just update it from here. After updating, go back, long press on your Instagram app, then tap on this I button. As you can see here, I button, tap on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. After that, then go back. Open your Instagram app. Just play any one of the reel. And tap on this three dot and take the screenshot of this where you are not seeing auto scroll option. Just take a screenshot of this, then go back, tap on the profile icon, and then tap on three horizontal lines, scroll down, here you will find help, tap on the help, then tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem again, tap on include and continue. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, auto scroll option not showing for me, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, you have to just tap on this upload button, then attach a screenshot what you have taken, then tap on send button. After sending this, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. After waiting 24 to 48 hours, still your issue not resolved, means you have to wait for some time, because this option or this update comes very late to some users. So you have to be patient for this and see when you will get this update. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix auto scroll option not showing on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.